In front of me is Motorola Edge 6 Diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up and go into Tab menu. Following that, use this pen icon at the bottom right corner of your menu. Scroll all the way down and look for a new Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, hold it and drag it up to add it to your currently used ones. Place it wherever you want to. Let go. Click at the top left corner and then click on it. As you can see, after that, infinite sleep time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!